playing this new game called Monkey See, Monkey Do. Now, I have already played this game before. Okay, so don't be surprised if I'm super good, okay? Now, you're supposed to throw doo-doo, but I bought this design which makes it into a marshmallow. But, yeah. Okay, so I don't know how to explain. Well, actually, I do know how to explain, but I'm just too lazy, so I'm gonna. Well, actually, I'll just explain. So, so the objective of this game is that when you get into when you get into a lobby, right? And the game starts. If there's an alligator, you can't let it eat you, right? But you have to get the bananas. Well, here. Well, I'm just gonna show you what I mean by replaying the tutorial. So, okay, swing to this rock. See? Climb up the tree. Oh yeah, by the way, you're supposed to... I don't know what is the name. I need to get the banana. I got it. You found a banana. So, you're supposed to press trigger, right? But the bottom trigger, the trigger that's under the real trigger to move. And the trigger, the actual trigger, you go behind your back and then you trigger and then you have your poop. You just let go when you want to throw it. It said, be brave and jump. Use the vine to fly further. Did that? Dang! Now grab the zip line and hold it on tight. Oh, I remembered that. We're supposed to do the same, the bottom trigger. Well, I don't know how we call it, but whatever it's called. So, yeah. There's this thing to help you aim, but it's not moving. When you're in a game, they're gonna be moving. So, yeah. So, yeah. Okay. So, wait. Okay, let's play a real game now. I like to just wait. It's load. You in? Start game. If it has the crocodile, then just it. Okay, it's loading. There, we're gone. First one. I have the most bananas so far. Yeah. First one to get 10 bananas wins. Nah, bro. Totally not intimidated. Totally. don't even know what intimidating means. What the freak, man? Hey! What? I have 0? What the freak, dude? That's my only banana. Come on! Yeah, I need to take... If you throw poop at other people, they drop a banana. If they don't have any bananas, then they won't drop it. But they will be... But they will be blind from your poop because it's gonna be in their face. So, yeah. I'm sweating right now. I'm like a vine. I'm vine swinging. That's how I would usually find bananas. Where the hell are the bananas? Hey! Let there be. See? 0 bananas, final banana 0, total bananas collected 2, doo-doo accuracy 10, farthest hit 20.86 miles. So, yeah, lobby. Bro! Yeah, you have this which says menu. Then go to your inventory. Okay, match is started. Please have the crocodile this time. What the freak, dude? What? Apparently. Oh! One spawn where I was that never happened to me before. Yeah, if you fall or get eaten by the crocodile, you're gonna start back to 0 bananas. Yeah, I know. This is crazy, dude. That's why you don't want to get eaten by the crocodile. Nah, bro. No, no! That was so scary. Oh, heck no, dude. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck. Oh, heck. I mean, like, what? It's insulting.